Now it's time to work with my favorite part, which is the part where you actually get to add video or pictures to your project. If you notice on each slide that has a picture on it already, you'll see that there's a time duration. That's how long that clip is going to last in your trailer. It will also show you what type of shot they would like you to get. Those are just recommendations. You don't actually have to do what they're asking you to do. You can choose whatever shot is going to work best for your trailer. I would just make sure that your clips line up with what you say in the titles. The first thing that you have to do to add video to your project or pictures is just by clicking on one of the frames. Go ahead and just click on the first frame. Once you click on one of the frames, 3 icons will appear down at the bottom. One is video, one is photos, and one is camera. Let's go ahead and work with the video icon first. If you click on the video icon, you'll have a list of other videos that pop up. These videos are taken from your photo library on your photo app on your iOS device. You can click on any one of those clips and a yellow bar will appear in the middle of your clip. You can click and hold on that yellow clip and drag it around to the place that you want to add to your trailer. If you'd like to preview the clip before you add it to the trailer, you can just hit the play button. If you like the clip and would like to use it in your movie, go ahead and push the button just left of the play button with the arrow. That will automatically make that clip as a part of your trailer. If you click on the clip that you just added, you'll notice that that clip shows up and you can maneuver it to have a better beginning and ending spot. At the bottom, you'll see 3 signs. A trash can means you want to delete it because you don't want to use it anymore. The turtle means that you want to slow the clip down. The speaker right next to the turtle allows your clip to have sound or no sound. Remember, there will always be background music playing. The camera button allows you to use the actual camera on the iOS device. On the top right-hand corner, you will see the option to either take a photo or video. If you'd like to take a video, you can push the record button and it will give you 3 seconds and then it will play the clip and then give you another 3 seconds. Once you are done recording that clip, it automatically loads into your trailer. You can adjust that clip by clicking on it and then scrolling to the left or right of it. Continue to do this with all your frames until all of them either have a video or a picture inside. Once you've filled all your frames, you can preview once again by pushing the play buttons on the left.